So I find that usually when I sit down with people and just ask them a few questions, we find that everybody has like this incredible story, right? Everybody has challenges and heartaches and high points and adventures and travels. And then if they're older, they've got these stories about their own parents coming over from other countries to America, and then all of those. So sometimes I end up with like, you know, a really long song. So. Let's see. All right, this is called Box Top Lover, and this was a story told to me by a really sweet couple in Bend, Oregon. And they met when they were in 6th grade, and then she moved away. But he was passing through town once, and of course this is way before texting. And he wrote her a message on the top of a pizza box. He used a pizza box to write her a message and leave it on her doorstep. And the rest is history. We were lovers in the 6th grade. Me and the prettiest girl in Laramie. And I handed her that course I never would have guessed. Job's daughter would be jilted me. My daddy was a cheating, driven, high-road red, but he had a way with metal. My mother and Carmela bided their time until that day. Opportunity found its way. Pedal up the mountain high. I'm 33 14ers to the sky. And I wear my jacket to hide these wrinkles on my shirt. Take you to the theater. Write you a box top love letter. I rediscovered her just by chance. Asked her for another dance at the bandbox on Colfax. Watching Shelley Winters from the balcony. Soon she'd meet my boy, call him son. In a small white church we were wed on Thanksgiving Day, riding in a red convertible. The lights of Kansas City, laughing with no reservation. All the way to the U Smile Motel. Pedal up the mountain high. I'm 33 14ers to the sky. And I wear my jacket to hide these wrinkles on my shirt. Take you to the theater. Write you a box top love letter. When the Brewers went on strike, I was a daddy, working every night. But Collins, things are gonna change, and they were right. Whoa, she was a preschool teacher, people coming from all over. But isn't it wonderful to take your family to dinner? Little up the mountain high. one. It was a big one. Big story. And actually, some of it took place in Colorado because they were outside. They were in Denver, and he was really into biking, and so they would bike up the mountains, and they're called 14ers. Is that familiar to anyone? Okay. I don't do that. So, but he did. 33 14ers he pedaled up.